What's up, YouTube? It's the king of the kingdom back with another. Yeah, man. Today, man, this is a special day. Sentimental but special. Y'all see the fusion on Tunes, man. Sorry. But it has to go. It has to go. I'm sorry. So this is a 2015 Fusion, man. You feel me? Eco Boost, you know what I'm saying? Got some 22-inch chromes on there. You see where we at. Alright, man, I'll be back in a minute to show y'all what's up. Feel me?
Speak my mind, First Amendment, y'all talking cheap, ain't worth the penny. These boys dripping, worse is women, funny ain't it? Smirk grinning, laughing at my competition. Out of shape, not fit for winning. Real or fake, can't tell the difference. Just hallucinations, schizophrenic. Told you make me and make Benny. You like keep pretending that we're gonna end it. Not anytime soon, we big up and got plenty. Y'all mad cause y'all not where we at. Not where we at. The time is perfect. We grinding and working. Y'all clowning like circus around with no purpose. Got carried away, but yeah, the realest is back.
I've been that nigga. I've been that nigga. Young M.A.C. Yeah, bitch, I've been that nigga. I've been that nigga. I've been that nigga. Fell off for a minute, now I'm back with tricks. I've been that nigga. I've been that nigga. Young M.A.C. Yeah, bitch, I've been that nigga. I've been that nigga. 775 Eric Baby in Nevada, so you see me in Nevada,
Fell off for a minute, now I'm back with tricks.
I'll give you my cell. Give you my card. You just come in and we'll grab one. And the other thing too is you're gonna get another email from Chrysler. It's a survey. That survey is based on me. Even if it asks you if the floor was clean, if you give me all 10s down the line, then I get a little bonus card. And I give it to my kids. No pressure, but if you give me all 10s, I'd appreciate it. If there's anything I can do differently, or anything you need, speak up. Let me know what I can do for you.
Nah, you got all 10.
Okay.
You got all 10.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
I try to do a good job for you guys. All right.
Alright, y'all see my new car right here? Got the baby blue on there, you know what I'm saying? It's a RT, you feel me? Nah, I'm just playing.
Yeah! Were they able to save you money on insurance?
Yep.
All right.
A whole lot of it, actually.
That's good to know.
Hitting on all cylinders.
That's a smooth little ride right here. I appreciate you letting me floss for a minute.
Hey, man, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have got it.
Man, listen.
You know,
Ready though, black on black.
2019.
Yeah.
Well, look at it. Man.
Pretty too.
It was better now that came out of
I
detail.
think I had like
Y'all see the fusion. It's gone, man.
swapping keys, baby. Swap them keys.
It's gone, man. Hey, man, we at Hill Kelly right now. We got Low Price Lopez, you feel me?
Baby. Official. Low price Lopez in the building.
Yep, y'all want the whips? I'm telling you, my boy gonna get you in the game. Think it's what? Listen, you see that? Jumped out of it in an hour into a 2019 Challenger. Y'all better come holler at him. Come holler at him. Hey, y'all, it's a new day. You feel me? Back with another one. Yeah, man, we in that new thing. Tell them people what we in, B. You ain't feeling it right now. But we in the 2019 Challenger, man. Yeah, you feel me? Don't this bitch fit me? Y'all see I got my pilot jacket on and everything. You know what I'm saying? Uh-oh, don't worry about this little tape right here. We gonna take this off. We gonna get rid of that, you feel me? Ain't no scratches on this right here. Hey, you better watch where you going, G. Watch where you going, cause you hit this black thing, we gonna have some issues, boy. But yeah, man. Y'all, this shit crazy. I wanna give a shout out to my wife, bro. Feel me? None of this could have happened without her. We just gonna, watch her while she thumb through the check. That's how she feel, bro. Alright, y'all. Don't worry about my head either. Bro, why this tape keep getting on me, dog? Shit, got to get that up out of here. don't need no trash in this motherfucker now. This tape, this tape won't the issues. Sliding, we sliding on.